HMV in Edinburgh, an old lift modernised by Kone with the KSS 280 fixtures. That's Kone KCE. I've never seen this fixture before. I don't know, it's alright, rare, but yeah, this is a mod. It's a nice enough fixture, but I don't know, it's interesting. No door closed for some reason. And an old matrix there. 8 persons. Don't know when this was done, no year. Oh, those doors are painfully slow. Oh, fancy. Oh, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this lift. Look at that, that's ridiculous. So I'm not too sure about this. It's not very efficient. It takes ages to level. Not sure how I feel about these cases. I tell you, it's a nice panel, but it doesn't fit into this mod. HMV.